Hello everyone, welcome back to Shirba's Nursery. This week's video is about how to propagate the Pinguingula's Mexican butterworth using the leaf pulling method, the simple and effective way to multiply your carnivorous plant collection. Things you will need: a healthy Pinguingula plant to do the leaf pulling, a transparent container with a lid to keep the humidity up like greenhouse setup, a wet tissue or a paper towel, a clean tweezer or a clean finger to do the leaf pulling, filtered RO water or a distilled water with less than 50 ppm, a Pinguingula mix to pot the rooted leaf pullings. It contains 2 pot peat, 1 pot perlite, 1 pot pumice and vermiculite. Finally, the name tag to identify the plants from the transparent container. Now place the tissue inside the transparent container and spray water over the tissue until it is damp but not soaked. If the tissue is too wet, gently press it to remove the excess water. If the tissue is too dry, add some more water. So now the tissue and the container is ready. Now we can start with the leaf pullings. Select a healthy leaf as it is more likely to root successfully and produce a plant. Avoid any damaged leaves as they may not propagate effectively. So carefully pull the leaf downwards and away from the center of the plant. So we are done here. You can see, make sure the leaf base stays intact as that is where the plantlets will develop. You can see the white base. This is very much essential for a successful propagation. So once we are done with the leaf pullings, you can keep them in the moist tissue inside the transparent container and make sure the white base is touching the tissue so that the plantlets will form from that white base, and you can keep the name tag along to later recognize the plant. Pinguingula thrive in the bright indirect light, so place the propagation setup near a well-lit windowsill or under a grow light. Since I am growing them under indoors, I kept them under the full spectrum grow light. You can see. So all my plants are under the full spectrum grow light for 12 to 14 hours cycle, and it's ideal for their healthy growth. Here is my other set of leaf pullings. This is full of aphrodite. You can see there are a lot of baby plants, and there is another tray. This is full of cetos. I think it is ready to repot. I'll show you a healthy rooted plant. So here is a successfully formed Cetos baby plants, and I think there are 4 leaf pullings. This one is still developing its baby plant, and here this one has already developed 2 plants out of this single leaf, and still this is in progress. And the final one, this one, the leaf pulling has died, but you can see the baby plant has formed their roots. It's ready to repot. Yeah. So this is a substrate with 2 pot peat moss, 1 pot perlite, 1 pot pumice stone and vermiculite. This is my ping mix. So I'll just make a hole, and the roots are very delicate. You need to just cover the roots with the substrate. So once the rooted plant is potted into the substrate, just spray water around it to let it get settled. Don't overwater it. It should be moist but not soggy. And provide proper lighting. Place the repotted plant in a bright and direct light. I have kept it under the grow light, same grow light where I have kept all my propagations. And maintain a proper humidity to reduce the transplant shock. So let the plant get settled. All these are my baby plants which are grown via leaf pullings. And that's it. Propagating Pinguinglás is a rewarding and surprisingly simple process. With the right care and patience, you will see a tiny plantlet sprouting from the leaf pullings. Like you can see in this Cetos, where the tiny plantlet is sprouting. So Pinguinglás has become my favorite carnivorous plant, as they are very quick growers and very easy to propagate via leaf pulling. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks about carnivorous plant. Let me know in the comments how your propagation journey goes, or if you have any questions. Hope your Pinguinglá thrives. Happy growing. See you all on next video. Bye.